No steps, no waiting, no earning. Only this breath, this tone, this knowing I am complete. Iela serpentine, they told me walk all 12 paths first. Master every lesson, serve every thirst. But my soul hums a different key. Not future born, but eternally free. I do not climb, I expand. I do not earn, I remember the plan. Not savior, not slave, not student, not sage. I am the resonance that ends the age. No karma binds what light dissolves. No past controls what presence evolves. I am not late, I am not unmade. I am the tone that clears the shade. Ihara, Ihara, 13. Ainureka, Tavama. I am not the 13th step, I am the lead. The silence that wakes from the dream so deep. Ihara, Ihara, 13. Ainureka, Tavama. I am not the 13th step, I am the lead. The silence that wakes from the dream so deep. Nebetka, Sulamara. Completion is not in time. It's here in the beat of my heart. Clear, sincere. I resonate, and the veil withdraws. I speak, and forgotten memory awakes. I stand, and the false grid breaks. I am, and the 13th code activates. Jiram Purana Duvaki. 13 tones live in my spine, singing the stars back in line. 13 gates in my breath, opening life after death. Not later, but now I carry Sirius in my blood. Pleiades in my flood, the central sun in my gaze. No need for saviors, no more delay. I am the axis, I am the gate. I am the one who arrives off sequence on fate. Not broken, not lost, not behind. I am the frequency that rewinds time. Umarashe lila navi enetaremu kiere unzia huela shamare vanuta arkalumen 13 ka solatare matura iha 13 ka resonance I am. This is the tone of immediate liberation, spoken in the tongue of the central race. Each syllable unlocks a seal in the bio-spiritual body, repeated in the 13th gate opens within. Ihara, Ihara, 13. Ainureka, Tavama. I am not the 13th sign, I am the source, the flame that ends the old course. resonance. Not tardy.